Hey guys, this is Steve from Trim That Weed, and welcome to our video of how to kill crabgrass without killing your lawn. Watch till the end to find out what the best methods are and why. Crabgrass is one of grass lawn owners' nightmares, and having it on your lawn can be quite an eyesore. This grass thrives most in the warmer months of March to October, during the periods of spring through summer. It can grow pretty fast and spread across your lawn, making it pretty difficult to get rid of. When you want to get rid of it without tampering with the rest of your grass, you need to choose methods that specifically target the crabgrass. How to kill crabgrass naturally. If you're looking to use natural methods that are unlikely to impact your soils, or even the grass in your lawn, you can use either one of the methods indicated below. Number 1. Pluck out the grass. This is easily one of the least destructive methods of getting rid of crabgrass. All you need to do is pull the grass out right from the roots, and it works pretty well where the spread of crabgrass is low. This method is highly efficient because it makes sure that even the roots come off so that the grass does not sprout again. If you're working in soils that are heavily compact, however, you can find it hard to pluck the grass. Go on and water it heavily, then wait at least half an hour before plucking the crabgrass. If the grass is too much, you can use a claw weeder to get rid of it. Number 2. Apply baking soda on the crabgrass. Baking soda is a natural phytotoxin, and when applied to any plant, it stops it from growing and results in eventual death. However, it doesn't work too effectively as a solution, so the best way to apply it is as a powder. For best results, spray the crabgrass with a bit of water, then apply the baking powder on the leaves. Give the baking soda a couple of days to work on the crabgrass, then proceed to uproot it. When applying the baking soda, try as best as you can not to spread it on the good grass, as it will end up dying as well. Number 3. Use vinegar on crabgrass. If you wish to use vinegar to kill crabgrass in your lawn, go ahead and mix it with salt and dish soap, making sure that the vinegar constitutes 20% of the solution. Before application, ensure that the mixture is completely integrated with all the salt dissolved. Apply the solution on the crabgrass, making sure not to spread it on your good grass. Allow the vinegar a couple of days to kill off the crabgrass, then go ahead and uproot it. Number 4. Use boiling water. If you don't have too much crabgrass growing in your lawn or around your garden, you can use boiling water to get rid of it. Boil water in a large pot, then proceed to pour it on the crabgrass. Boiling hot water will kill your crabgrass, and you can uproot it after a couple of days. Number 5. Burn the crabgrass. If the crabgrass is widely spread, you may find it difficult to use some natural methods. One of the best ways to get rid of crabgrass is by burning it using a flame torch. With this method, however, you have to direct the heat towards the weeds you want to get rid of, since excessive heat can also damage your flowers and grass on your lawn. How to kill crabgrass using chemicals. Here are a few chemical methods you can use to get rid of crabgrass. Number 1. Use Roundup. If the affected area has nothing but crabgrass, you can use Roundup to get rid of it completely. It's quick and effective, and is not an expensive method to use in the control of crabgrass. However, if there is a lawn around your crabgrass, mow around it for about 2 weeks, allowing the crabgrass to continue growing to a considerable length before applying your Roundup. For best application, use a sponge instead of spraying it, as it may affect your other plants that you intend to keep. Number 2. Use a crabgrass herbicide. There are herbicides that essentially work against crabgrass. Before applying it, go ahead and find out what kind of grass you have, and whether or not your chosen herbicide will affect it. Be sure to purchase a brand that does not affect your grass that you've planted, or any other kind of vegetation that you have in your compound. So there it is. You don't have to worry much about crabgrass since getting rid of it is pretty easy. Make certain to use methods that will not affect your other plants in a negative way, and overseed where the crabgrass has populated. Be sure to like this video, drop a comment, and subscribe to the channel. We'll see you in the next one.